I knew about attorney McKeen long before I met him. Like many lawyers in the state, I had read his blog and followed it for his insight and wisdom. A few years ago, I had a question on an issue in a civil matter that he had written about. Since I didn't want to undertake the research myself, I gave him a call. That started a remarkable relationship. Since that time, Ryan and I have developed a unique cross-referral relationship. Because he knows my firm's practice focus is on criminal offense and pardons, he gladly refers me those cases, even though he has the experience and ability to handle some of the less complicated matters himself. He actively looks for opportunities to send me business, and I'm thankful for that. I never really had much of an opportunity to refer Ryan business, though. I didn't get many calls for a personal injury lawyer to my firm. He didn't mind that the business flow was one way and continued to send me business month after month, year after year. That all changed in 2017. In September that year, I was approached by the family of a seriously injured person. This type of case involved workers' compensation, third-party negligence, etc. I knew the basics. I had no ability to help these people, and they needed help. Given the nature of the injuries, the case would have other law firms jumping to serve these clients. So I reached out to Ryan and Andrew to help me get the family some answers. They didn't hesitate to help me answer questions from the client and his family. They offered advice to protect evidence early on in the process, giving me form letters and strategy, never once asking for the referral. It became clear that this case was not a case that me and my firm could handle well. We are just not set up for high-level civil litigation of this nature. And if I tried, I would be doing the client a disservice. So I asked Ryan and Andrew to step in and assist and take over the case. Over the next weeks and months, they worked with me for a seamless transition of the client's matter to them. Their attention to detail was impressive, but not nearly as impressive as the attention to the client and his family's needs. They truly cared about my client, our client. In the following months, I have ridden alongside on their journey of obtaining justice for our client. I've been informed all along the way, with constant updates, the ability to review the case progress in FileVine, and even through the feedback from the family who still reach out to me and talk about how impressed they are with Ryan and Andrew and the whole team. More importantly, when an issue came up with an extended family member, Ryan was sure to loop our firm back into the case so that the client was not cannibalized by their firm. The client's family returned to me. The whole experience with the Connecticut Trial Firm has left me with the view that if I was injured in a serious case, I would want lawyers like Ryan and Andrew advocating for me. They know the law, they know the system, but more importantly, they know what is right and how to treat people well.